Hey everyone, Lisa here, and in today's video I have a couple of room decor projects that I will be creating for my daughter's room out of a couple of horseshoes that she's got. She's a horse lover, absolutely horse mad, so most of her room decor that I'll be doing will be of a horse themed nature. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you a couple of quick projects you can make out of horseshoes. So I'll set the camera up and we'll get started straight away. Okay, so for this project, what we're going to do is we're going to attach this little charm. I just got this charm off eBay. It was literally like $1 or something like that. There, you can find lots of different charms on there. Attach the charm with some coloured chain and then just decorate around here with some of the coloured rhinestones. And we'll probably paint the horseshoe as well. So to paint this, I'm going to be using this lavender acrylic paint. It'll probably need a couple of coats on this because of the black being so intense. So we'll put the first coat on now and see how we go. So next I've given this about 3 coats of paint all up just to give it a good coverage of the purple. So to finish this one off, what I'm going to do is wrap some of this chain around the top of it so that then it's going to be hung up there. So I might glue it first. I'm going to use this strong glue. Like that. And then once that's dry, we're going to wrap the chain around it as well to give it a bit more secure and sturdy bond. Okay, so all the glue's dried on that now, and that's pretty solid. It's not really going to go anywhere, so it's all just glued on the back. And I've just let a few little chains dangle down below as well, so that's just going to hang on the wall like that. Okay, for our next project, again, I've got another horseshoe, and we'll be sticking on some of these brightly coloured beads over the horseshoe here with the horse sitting on top, and then going to be framing it. So I'll probably be doing something a little bit fancier with the background and with the frame, and then just keeping the horse and the horseshoe the standard colour. So we'll set this up and get started on this one. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to stick all these beads on, because they're actually driving me nuts getting all over the place. Well, there you go, guys. Another couple of projects done for my daughter's room. And if you aren't into horses like she is, you can always adapt these little projects for your own special interest. If you're into dogs or cats or something like that, you can probably do something similar. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got heaps more coming up in this teen girl bedroom makeover series. I have a couple more wall decor projects coming up, and I've got a horseshoe dream catcher, which will probably be my our next video, and then we're going to start on a few of her room decor as well. So stay tuned for all that. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.